Surah Al-Baqarah Ayah 16. Translation. These are the ones who traded guidance for error, so their trade brought no profit, nor were they rightly guided. What does this ayah mean? Imagine you have a shiny gold coin, but you trade it for a handful of dirt. You think you're getting something cool, but really, you're losing something precious. This ayah is about people who traded guidance, like following Allah's rules, for error, doing wrong things. They thought they were being smart, but they ended up losing everything good. Lesson which we are getting from this is: first, always choose what's right, even if it's hard. Second, don't trade good things, like kindness, honesty, for bad things, like lying, being mean. Third, Allah's guidance is like a treasure, never swap it for something worthless. This ayah uses the metaphor of a failed trade to describe hypocrites who exchange divine guidance, huda, for misguidance, dalala. They prioritized worldly gains, arrogance, or peer approval over truth, thinking it was a good deal. But in reality, they lost both worldly peace and eternal success. Allah emphasizes that their trade choices brought no profit, they gained nothing but regret. True guidance is priceless and cannot be replaced by temporary, hollow pursuits. What lessons we are getting from this? Number 1, every choice is a trade. What are you exchanging your time, faith, and values for? Number 2, material gains or social approval mean nothing if they distance you from Allah. Number 3, hypocrisy and self-deception lead to spiritual bankruptcy. Remember, every choice you make is a trade, so choose wisely. Let's all try to hold on to Allah's guidance like the precious treasure it is. Glowing star. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more lessons that make the Quran come alive.